In topic 10-1 and all of topic 10, we're going to be talking about volume. Now, over here, I have this three-dimensional object. It's known as a cube. Okay? A cube is a three-dimensional figure. It has 6 faces: front, back, top, bottom, right, and then left. Okay, it also has length, width, which is a two-dimensional object, but it has this third dimension called height. Now, each cube, let's see here, has a length. Oh, let's see here. Let's get it to black. 1 unit. Okay. It's considered 1 unit by 1 unit by 1 unit. Now, these shapes, especially these two, are known as rectangular prisms because their base is shaped as a rectangle and it's surrounded by rectangle around it. The base could be the front and the back, it could be the bottom and the top, it could be the right side or the left side, but either way you hold it, it's surrounded by rectangular faces. Now this compound figure, you can split it right here, and this would be a rectangular prism, and this would be a rectangular prism. Now, volume, as you can see right here, is how many of these cubic units can fill the space of a three-dimensional rectangular prism up. And your answer, because volume is three-dimensional, it's either going to be cubic units or units cubed, or to the third power. That's considered an exponent, okay? That's what it will always end in. Sort of like area ends in squared units or unit squared, unit to the second power. So, in topic 10-1, they want you to find out how many cubic units is the volume of these three-dimensional objects. These two are rectangular prisms, and this one is 2 rectangular prisms combined to make a compound figure. Alright, so on this first one, go ahead and tell me how many cubic units does it take to fill up that rectangular prism. Okay, so there's 2 ways you can go about it. You can just count the blocks. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Or you can count the number of units on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's by 2. 1, 2, so 4 times 2 is 8, and then how many units high is it? 1, 2. So 4 times 2 times 2 is 16. So your answer should be 16 cubic units, or 16 units, cubed. And don't forget to circle your answer. And did you get that as an answer? Great job.
I am the Dragon Warrior. Get it? See the giant dragon?
Okay. Go ahead and push pause and tell me how many cubic units does it take to fill up that three-dimensional object? Or in other words, find the volume of it. All right. So you have 3, 6, right? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 18 cubic units, or you could go 1, 2, 2 by 1, 2, 3. 2 times 3 is 6, times 1, 2, 3. So we had 2 times 3, which is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So the answer is 18 cubic units, or 18 units cubed. And of course, circle your answer. Did you get that? Awesome.
I am the Dragon Warrior. Get it? See the giant dragon?
Okay, now for the last one, see if you can find the volume, or how many cubic units does it take to fill up this three-dimensional object. Okay, so here I'm going to split it right down here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, and 4 here, going downward. So 4 times 4 is 16. So I'll put 16. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we add 6 more, for a total of, let's get rid of that, for a total of 22. Or you could go split it where I said. Now you could split it here too as well if you wanted to. Okay, but I'm going to go up and down. So I go 1, 2, 2 by 2. Whoops. By 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. That equals 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay. Then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 by 1, 2 by, how tall is it? 1. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. And now I add it, and I still get 22. So my final answer is 22 cubic units, or 22 units cubed to the third power. And of course, circle your answer. I should have shown work over here like I did right here or right here, but that's how you do it. So I hope you learned about a cube, which makes a 1 cubic unit, and you see how many cubic units fill up a 3-dimensional object, and that makes volume. I hope you learned something today, and I will see you tomorrow.
I am the Dragon Warrior. Get it? See the giant dragon?